Looking for a simple way to power your legacy devices that rely on 4-pin Molex or mini power connectors? This SATA power cable adapter converts a standard SATA 15-pin connector into both a 4-pin Molex and a 4-pin mini, Floppy, power connector, making it the perfect solution for older hardware setups. Designed with straightforward compatibility in mind, this cable lets you plug directly into your SATA power source and instantly power devices that need Molex or mini connectors. It's especially handy for powering vintage components like floppy drives without fuss or additional adapters. Measuring 777 centimeters in height, 51 centimeters in length, and 636 centimeters in width, the cable is compact enough to fit neatly inside most computer cases. Made in China, it offers reliable construction that meets everyday needs without unnecessary bulk or complexity. One satisfied user from the United States shared how this cable was exactly what they needed to revive an old floppy drive. They described it as plug and play, powering the drive perfectly on the first try. No troubleshooting or extra steps required. If you're dealing with older peripherals that don't accept SATA power directly, this adapter cable saves you from searching for outdated power supplies or complicated wiring. It bridges the gap between modern power sources and classic hardware seamlessly. The cable features a SATA 15-pin straight male connector on one end, splitting into a Molex 4-pin straight female and a mini 4-pin female connector on the other. This design ensures you can power multiple device types with one handy adapter. Worth a look if you want to keep your vintage tech running without hassle. Whether restoring an old computer or maintaining specialized equipment, this cable offers a straightforward power solution that just works. Try it when you're ready to simplify powering devices with Molex or mini power connectors. This SATA to Molex and mini power cable delivers exactly what you need: reliable, easy, and efficient power conversion for your legacy gear.